car. I was going to sell this car. I was contemplating it. It just hasn't been running right the last couple months. And Lewis hit me up on Instagram from Ortiz Performance, and he said, "Hey man, you need to try out one of our tunes." I'm like, you know what? What do I got to lose? It's a couple logs. It's going to take some time. You know, because I'm not getting paid to do this. It does take time out of my day to log and go back and forth and work with them on getting this tune dialed in right. So there's time invested on my end to try and see if this is actually worth it. And probably the best thing I ever did with this car was get an Ortiz tune out here. For a turbo kit, and they're good too. They're good. Everybody said nothing but good things to say about the EMR turbo kit. If you guys that don't know, not particularly for the Mustang group on Facebook, but for YouTube, if you guys don't know, Auto Mafia Racing has their own turbo kit for $4,500, and everybody has had nothing but good reviews. They're making great power, well over 500, 550, and the kit is well built. There's not really any flaws with it, so now is a good time to be a Cyclone owner. If you are a Cyclone owner, it's a very good time.